So I got the part. I don't know why I stopped the last video. I got the camshaft out. I'm just gonna come in here real quick. Pretty sure it is a 10. Cannot get any focus in there. I'm not sure why. AI needs to tell the phone to do a little bit better. It's fit nice and snug. So the timing gear is. I got that broken off. I can unhand screw this when it's coming out. I'm not sure where the markings are on this one, but I don't know how to retime this motor at all. That's something I never learned. I have to do something with top dead center, and this motor doesn't even have it marked at all. That's wild. So I got the bolt out. Going out the camshaft now. This one's a no-brainer. This one's a no brand. And it was old. Motor came from JDM Engine Zone with 65,000 miles on it. Has a weird brand symbol on it. That is so cool. It looks like it's actually a Mitsubishi brand. Here's the new one. That is so weird. Could barely even get a freaking view in there. All I know is that take a look at this.